Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Ahsuite. Ahsuite is a client portal by which you can connect your client with your team member and with you. That means this Ahsuite tool will create a bridge between you, your team member, and your clients. And in this way, your work can be done more smoothly. I hope you get the basic idea behind this tool, guys. And in one sentence, it's an client portal tool. And see, they are saying Ahsuite is a business management platform that lets you build easy access client portal and boost productively with collaboration tools. And it's an alternative of Portal and Basecamp. And Basecamp is one of the most well-known tool, guys, on the marketing world. So I hope you are very familiar with this. And this Ahsuite is an alternative of this Basecamp. These are the things, guys. Now, if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Ahsuite, see they are offering you up to code 3 and the code 1 pricing is 78 USD. You will get here one landing pages, but if you need unlimited landing pages, then you have to get this code 3 basically, and this code 3 is ideal for agency use, I think. So depending on your need, you can get anyone you want. These are the things, guys. And see, this tool has been launched on AppSumo on June 22, 2022, and today, as of now, I'm recording this video. Today is 27 June. That means only 5 days ago this tool has been launched on AppSumo, and within this time it has gotten 15 reviews, guys. And see, the reviews are very good. Everyone is giving here 5-star review, and everyone is saying that the tool is really good. See, this person has got 340 deals from AppSumo, and this person has given 5-star review and saying very well thought out and can be the landing player in the portal space. So everyone is saying that the tool is really good, guys. I hope you get idea about this tool. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Ahsuite and let's explore what have inside the dashboard. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you are interested to join such group, guys, which is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals that can help you to grow your business, also can be helpful for your personal growth, then you can join on this group. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is the dashboard of Ahsuite. See, it's very easy to use and it's very straightforward. You can create here new client portal. That means for every client or for every group of client with whom you are working, you can create individual client portal basically. See, I have been created one client portal, and if I explore the client portal that I have created already, then you have to click here one active client. But if you want to create more client portal, then you have to just click here on this create client that you will get when you will log in at first. So now let me enter to the client portal. See, this is my client portal. Here inside the client portal, you can create here your client basically. See, here I have been created one client. That means the name of the client I have given here company Toto. You can archive the client from here. You can also here see the owner, and you can see the login status of this company or of this client. If you want to add more client, just click here add client, and then here you have to insert the company name, contact name, email address of your client, password, and phone number, website, and comment for your client. And it will be password protected, guys. That means only the people who will know the password, they can log in inside the client portal, and definitely it will be hidden between you and your client, right? But in this video, guys, I'm not creating more client portal or more client. I'm not adding here. I have been added already one client, and I will show you everything by using this client. See, my client is company Toto, so I'm clicking here company Toto, and see, this is the dashboard. Here, this is the client portal. Here you can create multiple view, and see, I have been added here Google Data Studio. If I enter here, let me enter here, and see, this is the Google Data Studio, and let it be load. See, this is the preview of the Google Data Studio. Your client will see like that. See, this is the preview. It's loading. See, this is the Google Data Studio, and you can update the Data Studio also. You can not only add here the Google Data Studio, you can add here Tableau, you can add here Figma, Google Presentation, you can add Google Form, Google Sheet, YouTube, Vimeo, Loop, and other iframe URL. That means any kind of tool that provide iframe you can embed here basically. Just click here view and then give the name of your template and then select the template, let's say template 1, and I'll show you how you can create template guys. Here I have option to create template. I'll show you after some time. And then select the source, that means from which source you want to embed basically. Let's say in this video also I want to embed from Google Data Studio, but see, these are the platforms that you can embed. That means any kind of platform you can embed basically if the platform provide the iframe URL. So I'm selecting here Google Data Studio, and then here you have to enter the URL. So in this video I'll show you how you can enter your Google Data Studio here. See, this is my Google Data Studio, and I have been created these two data here. So I'm entering here in the first one, Search Console report. So if I enter here, that means you have to enter to your Google Data Studio at first, and then you have to copy your iframe link basically. That means any platform or any interface that you want to embed basically, you have to get their iframe code. And in this case, that means for Data Studio you have to click here on this share icon, and then you will get here the embed report option. You have to select the embed URL, and then you have to copy this URL from here, and then done. Now you have to go to the Ahsuite dashboard, and then you have to just paste it here, and then you will get the preview. See, it will fetch the preview here basically. Let it be fetched. See, it's fetching the preview. So this is the preview. I hope you get idea guys. In this way you can add here not only Google Data Studio, you can add here Tableau, Figma, Google Presentation, Google Form, Google Sheet, YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, and other iframe URL. These are the things, and then just click here save. See, this is the preview. So this is the preview guys. You can also see it in full screen. Just click here and see, this is the full screen view. You can embed these things in this way. I hope you get idea guys about this feature and how your client can be helpful by using this tool. These are the things. Now here see, I have been added to view. I hope you get idea guys. After that, the next option is task. So if I go to the task section, see here I have been added one task, and this task section will help you to organize your day-to-day task basically, and it will also help you in your professional life, because in this task section there have the option by which you can show the task to your client. Also you can show the task to your team member. See, there have option to add team member. I'll show you how you can add team member, but here in this section you have to add your team member, and in this client portal section you have to add your client, and after adding your client and team member you have to create your task. Just click here task. So I'm clicking here task guys, and here give the name of your task. Let's say the task is page view campaign in Google, and then you can add here your assignee. That means if you have multiple team member, then you can select all your team member from here, and if you want to show this task to your client, then you have to tick mark this button. But in case of that you do not want to show this task to your client, then you have to disable this button. I hope you get idea. Let's say I will enable it, and dependency you can select. See, I have been added here task 1. That means if I select here task 1, that means this specific task is dependent on this task 1. Let's say I'll select a task 1, and here you can select the due date. Let's say the due date is 30, and then save it. So it will be saved guys, and see now here you can add the description about this task here. Let's say I will add some description. Let me get some text from here. So I'm adding description, and see there have all types of formatting option. You can format this thing. You can add here checklist. Let's say I'll add some checklist here. Just click here add checklist, and then here item. Let's say item 1 and save. And let's say I'll add another checklist item 2 and save. See, this is the checklist. You can check these things from here, and you will see the progress of your checklist from here. I hope you get idea. You can add more item from here. Let's say here item 3 and save. So here you can see the progress. See, 66% progress. and if I select it, the item 3, then it will be 100% progress. These are the things, guys. And you can also label here. Just click here, create a label. Let's say paste, and then you can select here the color and then create. So this label will be created. I hope you get idea, guys. Just select the label. So these are the things. You can add here any file also. Just click here attach file. Let's say I'll select here this file. You can add here any file basically. Let's say I'll add here this file, and see this file has been added. And then you can add here any comment. Let's say comment one, and then post it. So you can add here comment also. You can make a template this a specific task. You can also make. I hope you get idea, guys, about this feature or about this task section. These are the things, and these things are really helpful in case of productivity. And then see, if I go to the task section, here you can mark it as done, or you can mark it as cancelled also. You can see what is the due date. You can see who is assigned to this task. These are the things. After that, the next option is work journal. So here you can create work journal. You can keep the record of your work here. Basically, see, I have been created one journal already. To create more journal, just click here journal. So here you have to give the name of your journal. Let's say journal 2, the name of my journal, and then save it. So your journal will be created. And then see, here you can add your journal. Let's say I will add some text here. Let me copy some text from here, and then I'll paste it just for test purpose. But you can add depending on your need. Here I have the bold option, heading option, italic, heading 2 option, underline, and heading 3. They are also available the listicle option. I hope you get idea. And after adding your journal, just click here save it. So these are things. In this way, your client and your team member can add the journal. Here I have option to zoom it. So if I click here, then it will be zoomed. You can archive it also from here. These are the things, guys. I hope you get idea about this work journal section, guys. And see, here you will see all your journals. You can also filter the journals from here. After that, they have option for conversation, guys. So you can create here multiple group for your multiple department or multiple thread, and then you can communicate with your group. See, here I have been created one thread one. Let's say you need a different group for marketing department of your company. So just click here plus conversation and add here, let's say marketing department, and then just click here save. So this marketing deep thread will be created. You can add here your all team. Also you can add here your client if you want, but if you do not want to add here your client, then you have to disable it. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And see, here you can send the message hello there, and then just click here send. And these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And your team members will also get this message. They can reply you back. So you're getting here a mini chat builder basically. I hope you get idea. After that, they have files option. So if I go to this files option, here you can add your important files for your client or for your work. See, I have been added one file already. If you want to add more file, then just click here plus file, and here insert the name of your file, choose your file, and you can also insert the description of this file. But in this video, I'm not inserting more file. I will explore this file that I have been added. See, if I enter to this file, and from here you can add label, you can add a new version of this file, and you can download the file also. And if it requires the client approval, then you have to select it yes, otherwise keep it no. These are the things. And see, you can see the version. So you can change these things one by one basically. See, at first I have been added this paper or this document, and then I have been added these documents. See, here I have version by version. So if I add here new, any new version of this document, let's say just click here new, and then select the file that you want, and then just click here open. Then your new version of your file will be added. See, this is the new version of the file. I hope you get idea. You can add here any comment. Let's say very nice, anything you can add, then just post it. So see, this is the comment. Your team member or your client can also comment here. These are the things. I hope you get idea about this file section, and you can see all your activity from here. After that, they have option to password. So if I go to this password section, here you can add different password for different access. Just click here plus password. Here insert the name of your dashboard or of your tool. Let's say the tool is Ahsuite 101, or let's say yes 11. And then here give the username. Let's say the username is Dhurbo 101. And the URL, let's say the URL is this URL, just for test purpose, guys. So this is the URL, and here set the password. Let's say this is the password 11011. And then you can keep it only for you. Also you can share it if you want to your client. And then here you can add any note. Let's say I'll add some note from here. I'll copy this text from here, and then I will paste it, and then just click here save. So your password will be created. See, this is the password, and then now your client will get the notification for this password, and then he can use the password for his login detail. See, here they are saying the account owner can view and edit any password. The rest of the team and the client can only view what is shared with them. That means if you share the password with your team and with your client, only then they can see this section, otherwise they will not see. These are the things. After that, there have option to add team. So you can add your team member basically here. See, here I have been added this team member. You can add any team member you want. And then see, this team member is in pending option. That means he has not been accepted the request. Basically, if he accept, then you can also set his role basically from here. And the last option is client details. And if I go to this client details section, you can add here the details about your client basically. And see here, I have been added one client. If you want to add more client contact, then just click here contact. Then you can add your client details basically here. And if I enter here, see, you can insert the logo of your client here. You can insert the name, website, industry, description, email, phone, address, business hour, their Google My Business, Facebook, Twitter handle, Instagram. These things you can add. That means you can keep track, or you can collect their contact details from here basically. I hope you get idea, guys. And if you have multiple client portal, guys, you will see all your client portal from here, and you can select on which client portal you want to work. These are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Ahsuite tool, and the tool is really amazing. And everyone is also saying, guys, the tool is good. See, it has gotten 15 reviews within this 5 days of launch on AppSumo. So, guys, if you think you need a client management tool or a client portal tool, then definitely you can get this Ahsuite lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this Ahsuite lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal, because it's an affiliate link. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. And you can get at least 10% discount, guys, on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.